Hey y'all, it's Reba. Thanks for checking out the Drinking Vegan channel. Today we are at my homemade tiki bar and we are gonna make a banana frozen concoction. It's gonna be a little lighter on calories, still have that frozen creamy deliciousness without the dairy. You are gonna love this recipe. And it's going to be a little lighter in calories than, say, the pina colada you get on the beach. Let's get drinking. I absolutely love this recipe for a banana daiquiri. You just need some really ripe frozen bananas. Then I like a little unsweetened coconut milk. This kind only has 40 calories for a whole cup versus some of the other kinds of coconut milk that are really heavy in calories. So this keeps the calories down and the bananas make it all creamy. So about maybe a half a cup of the coconut milk. We can always add more. Then a shot of coconut rum and a shot of banana rum. And then you're gonna blend. Okay, let's give this a try. Comes out, looks like a milkshake. Oh geez, I don't know, this might just be enough for me. Oh well. Yep, only enough for me. Guess I'll have to make another for my friends. Let's see. Woo! You will not get anything better than this at a tiki bar on the beach. It is so yummy and delicious, creamy. It tastes exactly like a daiquiri you get at a bar. And I was gonna say it's healthy. It's not healthy, but it is so delicious. It's healthier. Anyway, I am headed to a beach bar now. Cheers, y'all.